Hi there, my name is John. I'm a Dow Honda service advisor as well as a licensed technician of 20 years. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between an all-season tire and a winter tire. The main difference is the makeup of the compound of the tire. Here we have the all-season tire on the left. It's a blend between a soft winter tire and a hard summer tire. It does have the advantage of not having to maybe purchase two different sets of tires, but a winter tire is far superior in dealing with winter conditions. Some of the other features are going to be the way that the tire is designed. Here we have basically a slight variation from a summer tire, a few extra little sipes in the tire to basically help with adhering to the cold ground. The winter tire, you can clearly see that it has a lot more of these what's called micro siping to really suction to the road in the winter time. Again, here, a very soft compound tire, never to be driven in the summertime because it will damage the tire to a point where you no longer want to drive it. It is a choice, a customer preference, that whether or not you want to run an all-season or a winter tire. Winter tires definitely are going to give you far superior traction. If you have any questions about all-season or winter tires and would like us to help you make that decision for you, please visit us at 1 Colonnade Road or call us at 613-237-2777 and we'd be happy to help you out. Thank you and have a good day.